I was just about to go to make lunch and I thought why not share with you guys what I'm making today. I have some chopped up methi here, rice that I've cleaned, and some whole spices. There's bay leaf, there's cinnamon, and there's long. And we're going to be making a really quick and easy methi pulao. So I'm first adding some ghee. Let it heat up a little bit. And then I'm putting in the whole spices. So first goes the cinnamon, the bay leaf, and the cloves. Just mixing them in nicely with the oil so that all the flavor really comes through. And this is one of the simplest and also the healthiest methi pulao recipe that I absolutely love. Then I'm adding the chopped methi. And I've used about a cup of methi for pulao for 2 people. You have to make sure the flame is low, otherwise the methi will get burnt very quickly. And when you added methi, also add in some salt. And then I'm going to put in the rice, and basically the rice and the methi and everything, they just boil together. Just mixing them well. Finally adding some water. If you have methi lying around in the house and it's already cleaned up and all, then this is like a meal under 10 minutes. It hardly takes any time to prepare, and this is one of my go-to meals. I have it at least once a week. Now we're just going to let the rice cook, and in the meantime I'm going to get some side dishes ready. Now usually with this methi pulao I don't like any dal or curry. I just like it with some dahi on the side. So I'm going to be making a very quick bundi raita. So in goes the dahi. I have a feeling my dahi is become a bit sour today because now the heat is increasing, and I think I left it out to set for a little longer. I'll have to add more masalas to make it okay. Some water. I have never enjoyed raita that is overly thick. I kind of like it a little bit on the more watery side. What about you guys? Do you like raita that's super thick or mixed in a little bit with water? Let me know in the comments. Salt, coriander powder, jeera, lots of jeera, and some pink salt. Just gonna check on the rice for a second. I just thought it was getting burnt. You know, one more thing you can do in this pulao is actually puree the methi and use it. That way the pulao will have like a stronger green color. Here also there is like this faint green. I don't think the camera is picking it up well. Now I'm adding the bundi. Done. Okay, the pulao is almost done, and I'm just gonna serve myself some and catch you guys while I enjoy it. So this is my super quick lunch for today. It looks really simple, but it's packed with nutrients. The best part is that you can make it so quickly, so easily if you have methi. I do also like to make this with spinach, palak. Even that tastes really good. And you have to kind of appreciate the flavor of methi, the flavor of the green vegetable itself in this. because we're not adding too many masalas, we're not adding any other veggies. So without any more chapar I'm just gonna eat the first bite while it's still a bit warm. This feels good. I found like that big inch of cinnamon. Wow. Such a sharp flavor. And I think bundi raita is like my absolute favorite raita. What about you guys? Do you love bundi raita as much as I do? I think I've asked this before, but that's just how much I love bundi raita. Sometimes when I have extra time, I do like to chop up garlic, ginger, onion and add in this, and even that gives a great flavor. But this is something that I make when I'm in an absolute hurry and I just want to get some lunch very quickly into my system. A lot of times people feel that having methi without any other vegetable in it might make it very bitter, but this is not bitter. And there are times, like today I've used 1 cup of methi, but there are times when I've used a lot more methi, so the pulao becomes beautifully green, and even that time it doesn't feel that bitter. But when I make this with spinach, that's when the really pronounced flavor of spinach comes out. You know what I'm missing on the side? Lay's magic masala, just a little bit. You know, I usually just have just a few with my lunch. I just feel like it keeps my cravings in check. And there's also like some interesting thing going on in the side. I ate well. I'm quite full and feeling really good. I hope you guys enjoyed this lunch with me. I have to end the vlog here because I need to go and clean up the kitchen and stuff. And do try out this methi pulao. It is super simple, quite satisfying, and you can kind of adapt it to your taste by adding anything more that you like, and let me know how it worked for you. Don't forget to give this video a big like, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.